Hello, and for you, we have the complete Atwood setup for your lab. It is currently connected to the top by a 3M sticker hook, and that connection was made by using a piece of the string tied in a loop and hung over the hook. We have a low friction pulley, and on each side of that piece of string there is a 100-gram aluminum mass on one side. To attach that, I took a piece of tape and attached it to the end, which gives me a nice solid connection. On the other side, I just made a quick little loop at the end, and you can hang the Pasco hanger over the edge, and it's very rigid. There is 4 5-gram masses and a 100-gram brass mass. You'll need to make all the measurements of the masses on the kitchen scale provided. How we will be doing this experiment is using distance and time to calculate acceleration. If we look at the measurements right now, we have approximately 105 grams on the brass side and 100 grams on the aluminum side. So you'll see the brass will fall. Our measurements that we will make, we're going to be using distance and time. We're going to start and use the same distance every single time, and that distance we'll set up with a meter stick. And you're going to measure the distance from the bottom of the mass hanger to the distance of the floor. Or if you're using a table or a floor, it'll be that distance. We're using the exact same distance every time and using a stopwatch or your phone to measure the time it takes from when you drop to when it hits the bottom. So make sure these are steady. Trial 1 is 100 grams for the aluminum side, 105 for the mass hanger side or brass side. We let it go, and you measure the time it takes from falling to that first hit, and that is trial 1. Trial 2, we will take, let me go back. Trial 1, every trial will have 5 different measurements to time, and we're going to use the average of those. Now that could be a problem. So as this falls down, if these hit, that trial is no good. So you're going to have to redo that trial. So please be a little patient. And make as many trials as necessary to get 5 good ones. Okay. The next set of masses will add 5 grams to the side of the brass on the mass hanger. And repeat the measurement. We'll do this measurement for 5 trials. Add another 5 grams. Add another 5 grams. Each trial will take 5 times until you have a total of the brass and 4 5-gram masses.